Have you ever wondered how something as timeless and beautiful as marble journeys from deep within the earth to your doorstep? Well, today, we're about to unveil the captivating secrets behind the world of marble. How does this magnificent stone, with its history dating back centuries, find its way into our homes and buildings? Welcome to Build Tech. Join us on an extraordinary voyage as we explore the $100 billion industry of marble mining. Our adventure commences at the heart of marble extraction, the quarry. Picture a vast landscape, like a canvas, where skilled workers employ state-of-the-art machinery and techniques. Their mission, to reveal the timeless beauty of marble hidden beneath the Earth's surface. It all starts with a carefully planned strategy. Skilled hands drill precise patterns on the marble face. These strategically placed holes serve a crucial purpose. They create controlled fractures within the rock. The initial stage of marble extraction involves drilling. Precise patterns are carefully etched onto the marble face, setting the stage for what's to come. But how do we go from designs to extracting massive marble blocks? There are several mining methods, each with its unique approach. Some employ a vegan drawer, others utilize wire-cutting saws, and others even use chainsaws. These tools are the artist's brushes, each leaving its distinctive mark on the marble canvas. As we move forward, we reach the detachment phase. Here, an excavator equipped with a custom ripper takes center stage. This monstrous machine is pivotal in separating the marble blocks from their geological embrace. The extraction methods and resulting block sizes can vary depending on the quarry's characteristics. Some quarries favor vertical cuts, while others opt for horizontal ones depending on the area's morphology. Now, imagine the challenge of transporting these colossal marble blocks. Loading the dumpers is an art in itself. Sometimes it takes two wheel loaders working in harmony to handle the size and weight of these monumental blocks. Once loaded, the dump trucks take over, transporting the marble blocks from the upper levels to the bottom square of the quarry. The square acts as a temporary selection center where these marvels of nature are temporarily stored. But before these marble blocks continue their journey, specialists take precise measurements. These measurements are critical to determining each block's correct shape and cutting method. Now that we've witnessed the fascinating process of marble extraction from quarries, it's time to delve into the intricate world of marble manufacturing. Here at the manufacturing facility, the transformation of raw marble blocks into exquisite slabs takes center stage. Our story begins with the arrival of those colossal marble blocks, which have journeyed from quarries to this bustling hub. Some of these blocks weigh several tons and are the raw canvas for what will soon become works of art in your homes. The initial step in this intricate journey is cutting. Advanced machinery equipped with precision, diamond-tipped saws, and high-pressure water jets are the stars of this show. They slice through the stone with surgical precision, ensuring minimal waste and maximum efficiency. It's a dance of technology and craftsmanship that turns these massive blocks into more manageable pieces. Once cut into manageable sizes, the genuine craftsmanship begins. Skilled artisans step into the spotlight, examining each piece meticulously. They evaluate the quality of the marble, identifying any imperfections, blemishes, or variations in color. It's a critical stage, ensuring that only the finest slabs move forward. The next chapter takes place in the grinding and polishing section, where the true beauty of marble is unveiled. Automated machinery, armed with abrasive discs and specialized polishing compounds, works magic here. Gradually, the rough surfaces of the slabs are refined to a glossy, mirror-like finish. It's a mesmerizing sight to behold as the transformation occurs. But our journey doesn't end there. Quality control plays a pivotal role in ensuring the perfection of these marble slabs. Specialists meticulously inspect each slab like marble connoisseurs, leaving no detail unnoticed. They're looking for blemishes, cracks, or color variations that might compromise the final product. Only the slabs that pass this rigorous examination proceed to the next stage of their journey, It's worth noting that every step of this manufacturing process is a delicate balance between cutting-edge technology and time-honored craftsmanship. The result is the creation of marble slabs that adorn our homes, buildings, and spaces with their timeless elegance and natural beauty. Now, let's explore how these magnificent marble slabs find their way into our homes, buildings, and spaces. Once the marble slabs have passed the rigorous quality control tests, they are packaged and prepared for their final destination. Every slab is handled with the utmost care to protect its pristine beauty during transportation. Picture this. Those stunning marble slabs arrive at construction sites, architectural firms, and local home improvement stores. They are the raw materials for creating spaces that exude elegance and sophistication. In homes, marble is often used in various applications, adding a touch of luxury and timelessness. It graces kitchen countertops, transforming cooking spaces into culinary sanctuaries. Imagine rolling dough on a smooth, excellent marble surface or gathering around a marble-topped island for family meals. Marble's versatility extends beyond the kitchen. It finds its way into bathrooms, becoming the canvas for intricate vanity tops, shower walls, and flooring. The natural beauty of marble creates a spa-like ambience that elevates daily routines. But it's not just homes that benefit from marble's charm. Commercial spaces, hotels, and public buildings also embrace the elegance of this stone. Marble-clad columns and grand entranceways make a bold statement, while marble flooring adds a touch of luxury to lobbies and corridors. Architects and interior designers often turn to marble to create focal points. Fireplaces, staircases, and accent walls come to life with the introduction of this magnificent stone. It's like adding a touch of artistry to architecture. Outside, in the world of monuments and statues, marble takes on a whole new level of grandeur. This natural stone has shaped our history and culture from iconic sculptures to solemn memorials for centuries. Its durability and timeless beauty make it an ideal choice for these enduring works of art. Marble's presence isn't limited to large-scale projects. It's also a darling of DIY enthusiasts. Homeowners use marble tiles to craft elegant backsplashes, create custom coffee tables, or add a touch of sophistication to their home decor. The possibilities are limited only by imagination. Marble is more than just a material. It symbolizes luxury, craftsmanship, and enduring beauty. Whether gracing the floors of a grand hotel lobby or adorning the kitchen of a cozy home, marble continues to be a timeless choice for those who appreciate the finer things in life. We've witnessed the marvel of marble extraction, the intricate manufacturing process, and how this exquisite stone finds its way into our homes and buildings. Now, let's zoom out and look at the bigger picture. The global impact of the marble industry and its place in the world market. The story of marble isn't confined to a single quarry or a solitary manufacturing facility. It's a tale that spans the globe. With its enduring beauty and versatility, marble has found its way into countless countries and cultures, leaving a lasting impression. Asia Pacific emerges as a dominant force in the marble market. Countries like China and India lead the charge, with voracious appetites for marble in construction and decoration. With its mammoth construction industry, China is a powerhouse, accounting for a significant share of the world's marble consumption. The Middle East, known for its opulent architecture and grandiose projects, has also become a prominent player in the global marble market. Marble-clad skyscrapers and extravagant monuments dot the landscape, showcasing the region's affinity for this luxurious stone. In Europe, nations like Italy, known for its rich marble heritage, continue to be leaders in marble production and craftsmanship. Italian marble is synonymous with quality and elegance, making it a sought-after choice for designers and architects worldwide. With its diverse architectural landscape, North America has a steady appetite for marble, with the United States being a key player in the market. Marble accents in American homes and businesses add a touch of sophistication to the urban landscape. But it's not just the traditional players. Emerging markets in Southeast Asia and South America are also recognizing the allure of marble. As urbanization and economic growth flourish in these regions, so does the demand for this natural stone. The global construction industry is pivotal in driving the demand for marble. As the world's population grows, so does the need for infrastructure and buildings. With its timeless appeal, marble fits seamlessly into these projects, whether grand skyscrapers or cozy homes. However, the marble industry faces challenges too. Health hazards related to marble dust have raised concerns, and environmental considerations are prompting a shift towards sustainable practices. Yet, the industry persists in finding innovative ways to address these issues. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening exploration of the marble mining and manufacturing process and its place in the world. We hope you've gained a deeper appreciation for this remarkable natural stone. If you've enjoyed this exploration and want to see more captivating content, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Your support keeps us going. Until next time, happy digging!